Okay, so we're gonna see what we could. So this is the PowerShell and command line topic. So how do we develop in PowerShell? So you could either do it from the command line. You could also do it from some IDEs. So I'll show you the IDEs first. So this one, you could, like if you're in Windows 10 or Windows 11, you could go to the search bar and then type ISE, or you could just type PowerShell, which will give you a list of options here. So Windows PowerShell is the command line, and so what you're looking for is the ISE, and you can see it right here. So we will click on Windows PowerShell ISE, and you could also get it another way if you just want to get the ISE alone. You can just type ISE, and it should come up here. So you can just click that. Oh, I had it here already, so it was open. Now you may get some windows coming up differently for you. So if you get this big blue window, that means you could just switch it half and half. That's what I like to do at times. So I would switch it like this, and that way you get your development pane here, and you could actually run it here. So we could just do a quick one here. Just going to do a print statement. And you can just hit the play button, and you can see that it ran the script here. So it's pretty nice. And you could also, if you want to see how it looks like in full screen, in a way there. So yeah, that's one way of doing it. So the other way, this is the most popular way because ISEs, they're saying they're going to deprecate it. I believe it might be in Windows 11, but that tool is going to be deprecated, and they recommend use something to replace it. So there are a bunch of tools out there for PowerShell, but the next free one will be like Visual Code. So this tool will allow you to develop in PowerShell, and so the way how we get the PowerShell installed, you could just download the PowerShell extension, which by going to this blocks here, and I would just type PowerShell. I have it installed already, so that's why it shows up there. And yeah, you just click this icon or the one that says PowerShell on top. I think I have to restart my extension. But pretty much what it will do is it will create the environment here. And it's pretty nice. So you would have, you would just have to, maybe you could create a script here. Right, so you would just click on open folder. So if you want to, if you had some existing scripts or where you want the scripts to be located. So I have a folder here, so I'll use this. I'll click select folder. As you can see, it found a bunch of PowerShell scripts and other scripts here and folders. So, and it's asking if you trust the author. Well, I know about these scripts, so I trust myself. And I'll click yes to that. Okay, and what we'll do is we're going to create a new script. So how you do that is you can just highlight. So you want to do it in line with the folder name here. So you just click, there you go. And I will just call this test hello.ps1. Okay. And then we'll just do that. And now I will, so I'm here right now. So we're going to do the same write host here. And you can see you have some IntelliSense there, which will kind of help you auto create. And we're going to say hello today. Oh, you know what? Let's put our Bible code in here. So you could, so we'll surround it with quotes, or you could just, if it's a literal one, you could surround it like this as well. Okay, and let's try to run this. Now, if the PowerShell extension is installed correctly, like how you would see it, you should be able to hit the play button here, which will be run. And there you go. And we got our code here. So God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God, he created them. Male and female, he created them. And there you go. And this is how you could run your PowerShell. Thank you.